morning, grade 3.
Good morning, everyone.
It's nice to see you again. Okay, so for your subject, this morning we have math. So can you get your math book now, grade 3? Get your math book. So we have the last time again, we're going to recall the properties of multiplication. So let's start with the properties of multiplications. Who can remember the properties of multiplication? Let's have, okay, Aaron. Aaron now?
Property.
Okay, very good. We have the zero property. When we say zero property of multiplication, what is this? Zero property of multiplication. Let's have, wait a minute. You have zero property of multiplication. When we say zero property of multiplication, what is that? Samuel. What is zero property of multiplication? It's
anything multiplied zero.
Okay, very good. So when we say zero property of multiplication, any number you multiply by zero, the answer will always be zero. Very good. Okay. Let's move to the next property of multiplication, wherein you multiply it by 1. What do you call that? The property wherein you multiply it by 1. Let's have 0. What is that property? It starts with letter I. 0.
Identity.
Very good. Identity. You call that one identity property of multiplication. So you have identity property of multiplication. So for identity property of multiplication, any number you multiply by 1, the answer will be the same number as the number you multiply by it. Okay, let's have the other property of multiplication. We'll have the commutative property of multiplication. We have commutative property of multiplication. What is commutative property of multiplication? Anyone? Let's have Johan Thierry.
Even though you change the factors, it's going to, the answer will still be the same.
Very good. Even if you change the factor, 6 multiplied by 2, the answer is well. Now, you have also 2 multiplied by 6, the answer is? Okay, you got 12. Okay, clear. And then we have the last property of multiplication. We have the associative property of multiplication. Associative property of multiplication. What is this? Aki.
Changing the grouping of the factors does not change the product.
Very good. So even if we change the grouping of the factor, the answer is the same. Clear? Okay, can we check? What are the 4 properties of multiplication?
Zero, identity, commutative, and associative.
Very good. So we have 4 properties of multiplication. Let's have a game. I have here letters. I'm going to put it on the screen also. I have here set of letters. So you are going to arrange it as one word. The first one who will give the answer will have 10 points. Okay, I have here, I'm going to put it here on my screen. So arrange it as one word. Okay?
Multiplication.
The word is multiplication. Let's have the skip counting. 2 until 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So this skip counting grade 3 can actually answer our multiplication table. So this skip counting can actually answer our multiplication table. So can you give me 2 times 1? Anyone? Identity property? Summer. 2 times 1, Summer?
2.
Okay, the answer is 2. You have here, this is identity property of multiplication. So we also have the skip counting of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So until 20, this one will answer our multiplication table. So 2 times 2, you got 4. 2 times 3, you got 6. 2 times 4, you got 8. So you have the skip counting as the answer for multiplication table 2. Let us learn the song for skip counting 2. So we have here bingo song. So let me do it first. I do, and then we'll do it together, and I will choose, you will do. I will choose someone who will do it. Got it? Okay, I will do it first. I will sing the song. We will sing it all together, and for the last, I'm going to choose someone who will sing the song. Is that clear, grade 3? Is that clear? Okay, very good. Okay, so we have the first song. You have the bingo song. There was a farmer, had a dog, and bingo was his name. Oh, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and that is how you count by 2. Okay, we have, there was a farmer, had a dog, and bingo was his name. Oh, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and that is how you count by 2. Everyone, let's do it all together. Let's do it all together, even if your microphones are off. Can we do it? 2, 3, go. There was a farmer, had a dog, and bingo was his name. Oh, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and that is how you count by 2. Okay, very good, grade 3. You got it? You got the song? I will choose someone who will sing the song. And you're nervous? It's can you see it? It's Jiro.
There was a farmer, had a dog, and name was Bingo. Name B 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 16,
18, 20.
18, 20, and now that is how by count by 2.
Okay. Very good, Jiro. Okay, so if we're going to solve the multiplication table, like, let's see, for example, I have 2 times 3. 2 times 3, using the song, answer it, Jan Avin. 2 times 3, use the song.
2, 4, 6.
Okay, very good. You got 6. 2, 4, 6. You multiply 2, multiply by 3. So 1, 2, 3. 2, 4, 6. Got it? Okay, let's have another. You're going to answer it orally using the song. Let's have Summer. 2 times 9. 18. Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, So the answer, 2 multiplied by 9, the answer is 18. So you can answer your multiplication table using the song. So it's easier for you to answer multiplication table if you memorize the song. Questions? Questions? I have 3. The tune is like this. Birthday. Happy 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, let's do it all together, grade 3. Can we do it all together? So, 1, 2, 3, go. Happy 3, 6, 9, 12, and happy 3, 6, 9, 12. Happy 18, 21, 24, and 27. Happy 32. Okay, so we have the skip counting of 3. And we're going to choose who's that someone who will sing it. Did you get the song or will you repeat it? You got it already? Okay, let's have the first. Okay, we love Selena. Okay, Selena? You do it? You want it?
Happy 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 18, 21, 24, and 27. Happy 30 to you.
Okay, so we have the skip counting of 3. So let's try if you can answer. Again, that skip counting is for answering our multiplication table of 3. Okay, let's try to answer our multiplication table by 3. Let's have the first one. Summer, 4 times 3. 4 times 3.
12.
Okay, 12. Let's see. Happy 3, 6, 9, 12. So 4 is 12. Have Aki. 3 times 9.
27.
Very good. Good. So that is our table of 3. Okay, you got it? And let's proceed to 4. London Bridge, skip counting by 4. So you have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, and 36. Here comes 40. Okay, let's do it all together. Let's sing the London Bridge, 4, 8, 12. Skip counting by 4. Let's do it all together. 1, 2, 3, go. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, and 36. Here comes 40. Okay, you got it? Got the song? Got the song? Okay, here comes our choosing who will sing it. Saifran?
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24,
28, 32,
and 36.
6.
Here comes 40.
Very good. Let's answer. Again, this skip counting by 4 will answer the table of 4. It will answer the table of 4. Multiplication table of 4. So let's see. Let's have the first one who will answer. 0. 4 times 5.
4 times 5. 20.
Okay, you have 20. Okay, Selena. 4 times 9.
36.
Okay, 36. Okay, grade 3. Let's see if you can recall everything. We'll mix from the properties 2, 3, and 4. So I'm going to ask you some questions. Let's see if you can remember everything. The first one is, okay, let's Aki. Aki, can you give me the property of multiplication wherein you multiply 1 to to a number and the answer is the same as the number. You multiply by 1.
Identity property.
Very good. You have identity property of multiplication. Very good. Let's have the next one. This is the property of multiplication wherein even if you change the factors, the answer is still the same. Samuel. Okay, commutative. It is commutative. Let's have the next one. We have, this is the property of multiplication wherein any number you multiply by 0, the answer is still 0. 0.
0.
So, 0 property of multiplication. Very good. Let's have John Avin. John Avin, 3 times 4.
12.
Oh. Okay. Johan Theory. Johan, your theory, 2 times 5.
2 times 5. 5. 10.
Okay, very good. 10. That is our multiplication table by 2, 3, and 4 using the skip counting song. You have the first song is Bingo, Happy Birthday, and London Bridge. Okay, so let's have a recap of what we learned for today. So we learned the properties of multiplication. We have the 0, the identity, commutative, and associative property of multiplication. And we also learned the skip counting song 2, 3, and 4 to solve the multiplication table of 3, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so grade 3. That's it for today and see you tomorrow, okay? Bye-bye.